independent gutter cleaning business, Allambie Heights, New South Wales. Northside Gutter Cleaning offers a motivated self-starter, a well-established business with plenty of repeat business and flexible hours. Covering the North Shore and northern beaches of Sydney, the business services residential, commercial and strata clients. Providing general gutter cleaning, minor roof and gutter repairs, you can work from home and reap the tax benefits. Regular customers have their gutters cleaned 1 to 3 times a year, delivering a regular income to the business owner. With few overheads, gutter cleaning offers great profit margins and demand for services is increasing. This business offers good growth potential by taking on staff and expanding the customer base.